Contract width wall coverings have a selvage running along the edge of the material which requires trimming off. This is achieved through the overlap and trim process. The tools used for this are a snap blade knife and joint cutter. The joint cutter has a guard to protect the wall, as any damage or scoring could result in the joints opening out at a later stage. Using 3 pins placed at the top, middle and bottom of one drop, 5 centimeters in from the right-hand edge, gives you a perfect guidance when lining up drop 2 to drop 1. The leading edge of drop 2 simply slides to the edges of the 3 pins placed on drop 1. This is a quick and easy system of ensuring that both drops 1 and 2 are hung parallel to each other and that a 5 centimeter overlap is achieved. To start the joint, make a small incision by using a snap blade knife to form a V opening into which the shoe of the joint cutter is set, behind the 2 sheets of wall coverings. This is because the cutting blade of the joint cutter is set at approximately 2.5 to 3 centimeters from the top of the tool. Once the tool has been inserted into the joint, simply draw the joint cutter down the center of the joint, pulling it through the 2 sheets of vinyl. Ensure that the shoe of the joint cutter stays in contact with the substrate as you draw the tool down through the wall coverings. At the skirting level, you may find that protruding skirtings restrict the joint cutter from running to the floor. You may have to finish the bottom of the joint by using a knife for the last 5 centimeters or so. Once the joint cutter has been pulled through the joint from top to bottom, you should remove both the overlap and underlap from the joint. Using the hard plastic spatula, the 2 edges of the wall coverings can simply be laid in to close up the joint. It's important to bring the edges together as shown to get a flat joint. The joint cutter cuts through both sheets of wall covering at exactly the same point, so that when a joint is made, the 2 seams bed together to give a very snug and almost precision fit.